Yeah, and I want to add to that about the disability provisions in there. You make sure that you're entitled to some of that if your husband becomes disabled. The estate, what's called the elective share. So a lot of the times when we get these prenups, it'll say that the lesser earner, or vice versa, everybody, either spouse, will waive the elective share, right? Will waive rights to the person's estate. So that means that your husband could then go out and make a will and say, I want to leave everything to my mom. You're out of luck. If he passes away and that's the will and you've waived what's called the elective share in this prenup, the prenup trumps. And I used to do wills, trusts, in the States as well. And so I used to file a lot of those prenups. Think about it. If you're married 50 years, how is that fair to you? You guys have had kids now. Maybe, hopefully, he's put some provisions in there for the kids. How is this fair to you, right? Where are you going to live? That was an issue that I just came up with, and we did something really creative there. And I think the attorneys who do this regularly, we love these agreements because, like Ray is saying, there's so much we can do with them. It'd be so creative. Things that we cannot do once I am looking at that judge, because at that point, that judge and whatever evidence I present, the case I put on is tied. My hands are tied to a certain extent, by the law. And so these are just agreements that are creative in a way to benefit you. And then I also know that some of you ladies have your own thing going, right? You do endorsements, influencers. I mean, that's a big thing right now. And so we want to make sure that you're protecting yourself as well when you're getting those endorsements, when, companies are asking you to post about their brand on Instagram as an influencer. And I know many women who make a lot of money from that. Good
Mhm.
for you. I know it takes a lot of work too, though. So, think about what you own as well, how you want to protect yourself going forward.